think you guys tried to say that I didn't spend the money that I got, $139 for my cat. I totally did. Here it is. To whom it may concern, Maine Coon was treated at the VCA. Okay. I'll open that for you guys so you can see it again. Moxy came to the hospital and was seen by a doctor for the wellness exam and for a health certificate. Okay. This was like so unusually difficult to get. Hard to cooperate. Okay. And up-to-date number. I'm like, why is it so hard? I need to say she passed both exams. I was getting so frustrated. It was like a billion emails. I was like, it's not that hard. Here's a letter for Moxy, okay? Moxy Jones from the doctor. Thank you much for doing that. Where is it? Oh, here. Okay. Yes, that's where the money went. It was like, female Maine Coon was examined by January 12th and 20th. Moxy is deemed to be healthy for travel during examination. So, yeah, you said I was a bad cat owner or something. My cat was healthy and ready to travel, but you took her away for no fucking reason.